My name is Vaishali Urkude. I am a managing director at Midcon Credentia Trusteeship Services Limited. We founded this in 2020 with a vision to provide best-in-class trusteeship services to all the clients, majorly banks and financial institutions, NBFCs and alternative investment funds. The space which we wanted to actually give solution to is tech-driven solutions from a trustee, which was lacking in the industry, which we feel. So this particular problem we wanted to solve, and that is where we are also working towards providing better solutions which are tech driven to the industry. Today we are working with more than 1,000 transactions, around 700 plus clients across all the products. We'll explain in brief all the products, what we exactly do in each of our services. And our team is around 44-45 member team sitting out of our Bombay office. We also have offices across all over India, around 11 locations in India, including GIFT City. The team strength in total is more than 50. And we have all the professionals who are from trustee background or understand the services in the industry, and that is how we are placing ourselves as a value-add proposition for our clients. The major transactions that we are catering to are debenture trustee or bond trusteeship. So we act as trustee for bonds issued by various banks and financial institutions and NBFCs. We work as a trustee for even public issues in India. Last year we covered around 26% of total public issues in India. We also act as trustees for loan transactions where banks or NBFCs are borrowing or lending to various clients across industry, across sectors, which includes non-banking financial services, which includes infrastructure, project finance, and consortium and bilateral lendings. Apart from that, we act as an escrow agent for mergers and acquisitions, which are typically need third-party independent service provider to monitor the fund flow and the share transfer, etc. Basically, majorly all the FPI transactions, wherever investments were done in India and now there is either exit happening or sale happening, the trusteeship company is appointed and we act as trustees for M&A transactions and even certain fintech transactions where escrow services are provided. There we are working with all the leading banks in India, including certain public sector banks like SBI, IndusInd Bank and all. Apart from that, we work as trustees for securitization and alternative investment funds. Securitization typically is a transaction between two NBFCs or a bank and NBFC where the loan portfolios are sold to a trust and the trust manages the payouts and all. Credit enhancement is one of the very important feature in securitization transaction, and that gives a value add in such kind of structures. Alternative investment fund again is a SEBI regulated product where trustee is appointed for the fund and trustee takes care of the monitoring and supervision of the investment manager who floats a scheme, collects the funds from the investors, which includes institutional investors as well as HNIs, ultra HNIs, and manages those investments where the trustee is appointed under the SEBI regulations to monitor the activities of the manager, whether these are in compliance with SEBI regulations and all. So this is in a nutshell about us. That's all I can mention about.